Let us discuss this example of double integration. We have to solve the double integration where the S, region S, is bounded by these four lines. Okay. See, if you solve it directly, the problem will be very difficult. Okay. But if you convert it by using some substitution, then it will be very easy to solve. See, in problem also they have mentioned bounded by lines. What we have to solve the integral by suitable change of variables. We have to change the variables. We have to make this problem simple, and then we have to solve. So let us write the given thing first. The given integration I already written. So here S is bounded by, here S is bounded by, what have they given? S is bounded by, the first curve is, I will write this curve, x minus 2y is equal to 1, x minus 2y is equal to 2, x plus 2y is equal to 1, and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So after that we have to put something. We have to put in this way, that problem will be simple. Otherwise we will put in this way, the problem will be more difficult. Okay, we have to avoid that. So if you see this problem properly, or this region properly, so there is a pattern. X minus 2y, next is also x minus 2y, next is x plus 2y, the last one is also x plus 2y. So by observing it, I conclude that I need to put x minus 2y is equal to u and x plus 2y is equal to v. So let us put x minus 2y is equal to u and x plus 2y is equal to v. So we are using this substitution to convert a problem into UV plane. Okay, so after putting, we have to find Jacobian. But if you find Jacobian directly, it is again difficult task. So that's why I am finding Z dash. Okay, Z dash I am finding, and using Z dash we will find Jacobian. Okay, so how to find Z dash is determinant of del by u by del by x, del by u by del by y, del by v by del by x, and del by v by del by y. So is equal to del by u by del by x, derivative of u with respect to x, derivative of this is u with respect to x, derivative is 1, since its constant, derivative will be 0. Next, del by u by del by y, derivative of this term with respect to y, derivative of x is 0 and derivative of y is minus 2. Next, derivative of v with respect to x, so y is constant, its derivative will be 0 and derivative of x is 1. Now derivative of v with respect to y, so x is constant, derivative is 0 and derivative with respect to y is 2. So you know that how to find determinant, how to solve determinant. Product of this 2 minus product of this 2. So 1 into 2 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus minus plus, and we will have 4. Then actually we are interested in Jacobian, but we have calculated Z dash. So Jacobian Z is nothing but reciprocal of Z dash. But we have already got Z dash is equal to 4. So this is equal to 1 by 4. So Z we have got. Okay. So there is no more space. So I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. We are converting this problem in UV plane. So let us see what we are getting in UV plane. So region in UV plane is, okay, so we have this equation, x minus 2y is equal to 1, but we are putting x minus 2y is equal to u, so that's why here u is equal to 1. Next, x minus 2y is equal to 2, this is our u, so this is u is equal to 2. Next, x plus 2y is equal to 1, so this is v, so v is equal to 1. And x plus 2y is equal to 3, this is v, so v is equal to 3. So region is bounded by these four curves. If we draw the diagram, it will be like this. This is u axis, right, and this is v axis. I will make some rough scalings here. So u is equal to 1, line parallel to v axis passes through u is equal to 1, u is equal to 2, right, line parallel to v axis passes through u is equal to 2. Next, v is equal to 1, line parallel to u axis, and v is equal to 3, line parallel to u axis again. Okay, so this is the region we have. This is the region we have. So you can consider a strip parallel to u-axis or v-axis, whatever you want, but normally we consider a strip parallel to v-axis. We are already familiar with all these concepts, so I will skip that and I will directly write. So here I am directly writing limits. Here v varies from and u varies from. So you know that we consider a strip like this. Getting? I will write the equations also if you want. V is equal to 1, v is equal to 3, u is equal to 1, u is equal to 2. So limits of v will be bounded below by 1, bounded above by 3. And then we move from left to right, so u varies from 1 to 2. Okay. So then our I will be, what is our I? Double integration over s x minus 2i upon x plus 2i bracket cube dA. So this is equal to, now we are converting this problem in uv coordinates. Okay. Limits of v 1 to 3, limits of u 1 to 2, x minus 2i means our u, x plus 2i means our v, bracket cube we write Jacobian dv du or du dv. But we have considered strip parallel to v axis, so that's why I am writing dv du. So this is equal to integration 1 to 2, 1 to 3 u cube upon v cube. I have taken separate cubes. What is our Jacobian? It is 1 by 4 dv du. So 1 by 4 is constant, we can take it outside. Make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. Okay, so let us continue. 1 by 4 is constant, so let us take it outside. Integration 1 to 2. See, we are integrating with respect to v first, so u cube is constant. I will take it outside the integration, u cube. Next, integration 1 to 3. 1 upon v cube, that means v raised to minus 3 dv and then du. So this integral is not required, so let me remove it. It is removed now. So this is equal to 1 by 4 integration 1 to 2 u cube. What is integration of v raised to minus 3? V raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 1 to 3 du. See, 1 upon minus 2, it's a constant. So it will come outside the integration. So this is minus 1 by 8 integration 1 to 2 u cube 1 upon v square with limits 1 to 3 du. So this is equal to minus 1 by 8 1 to 2 u cube. I am putting upper limit, so 1 by 9. If you put lower limit 1, we will have 1 only du. So this is equal to minus 1 by 8. See, we are solving the bracket, but 100% it gives some constant. So what can we do? We can take it outside the integration. If you simply solve it, so it will be minus 8 by 9. So minus 8 by 9 is a constant. So I am taking outside the integration. Okay. What is integration of u cube? It is u raised to 4 by 4 with limits 1 to 2. Getting? So minus minus plus 8 will get cancelled. So it's 1 by 9. Next, if you put 2, it is 16 by 4 minus if I put 1, 1 by 4. So this is 15 by 9 into 4. Getting? Now both of them have a same denominator 4. So 16 minus 1, 15 by 4. But see, again we can cancel 3. So that means 5 by 3 into 4. So the required answer is 5 by 12. So you can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.